Hi guys, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel. I am here with episode 3 of week 3 of Dee Dee's 3 in 15 Don't Freak Out Before Christmas challenge. And I am using some more of the papers that I used in the first episode this week. And I'm doing a little bit different than Dee Dee. So please go check out her version of this pocket because I'm doing it a little differently, and I will explain that here. I'm going to go ahead and punch my thumb holes in all of my pocket pieces. My pocket pieces are, I forget now, let's see, they are 4.5 by 2, I believe, and my base is 7 by 5, and I scored it at 1/4 inch on the one side because my thought is I'm going to make these into like flip outs. So like I said, it's a bit different than Dee Dee's. So I will link to her videos either to a playlist or to the first video in her series from her channel, so you can check out how she's doing hers. Hope you guys are all doing well. It is Friday in your world. Yay, weekend. It's Sunday here, so still the weekend, but I am going to round the corners where I didn't score. Actually, I could probably just do at one time. Like so. And we'll get rid of that. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and fold over my score line here. And you could make this bigger, but I think it'll be okay. I could always do something different. I sort of had the idea to score it after I had, cut the paper. And then, obviously at that point, I couldn't really change, I had cut the pockets and everything. So my measurements would have been really weird if I made a bigger score line. Does that make sense? I think it makes sense. All right. So these are going to be top loading pockets. So 3 of them on each of these. And I just want to make sure that everything is right side up. Yep. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and start inking. And actually, do I want to round? Yep, I am going to round the bottom corners on my pockets. And again, I should be able to just do this all at one time. Like so. All right, let's go ahead and do these. So the paper pad that I used for the pockets, the reason I went with 4.5 inches on the pockets was that's one dimension of the paper pad. So I didn't have to do a whole lot of cutting, but you could make these any size that you want that work for whatever it is that you are doing. All right. But mine don't have a purpose yet, so it remains to be seen. So Oscar and Pixie finally get to be groomed on Monday, and I'm so happy because they are both very, very, very much in need of haircuts. They were, let's see, they were scheduled to be groomed, well, right about the time that Pixie got sick and that we had to, you know, quarantine them inside. So, yeah, we had to put it off. But they were actually well overdue before that. But we were waiting for the groomer to have available appointments. So, all right, I am centering this in between, you know, the score line and the edge over here. And then we will just sort of, you know, line them up and glue them down. Pretty simple. Hopefully I can glue sort of straight here. That is a struggle, as you know, but we will start with the bottom. And then we'll do the top. That way you don't have to do any measuring. And then you can just center the middle one in between the ones you've already done. So, hopefully that's straight. And then this one. Oh, tell you what, I really wish that I could glue straight. That would be a very handy skill to have. Okay, that is not straight. There we go. All right, number one done. So we have our little flip out here, and you could, you know, put stuff in the pockets and then flip it over and you've got writing space, and you could put other things on the back as well. All right, number one, that is finished. Let's go ahead and ink. Oops. And then I'm gonna try and do these sort of in different order so they all look different. This one is going to go on the bottom this time. I left my pin out of my glue. And so now, oh, come on. Not cool. Oh, okay. There we go. And then the flowers will go up top. Oh, come on, glue. This is not the time. Come on. All right. There we go. What is happening? Oh my goodness, this is awful. Okay, I don't really want to use this glue, but I don't have a choice right now because the other one is just not working. Oh goodness, all right. Well, if I fail on time, it's because of the glue, not me. I'm not sure. Wait, this one goes in here. Not sure why that's being so problematic, but I don't have time to worry about it. All right. There we go. Number 2. All right. And let's put the pin in this just in case it decides to stop working. And ink up our pieces here real quick. I like this piece because it's got nice ledger paper on the back that you could write on. Okay. And let's see, this one goes in the middle this time. And our flowers go on the bottom. And polka dots on the top. There we go. All right. I guess I might need to clean the the whole nozzle on that glue bottle. I haven't had to do that yet, so. And one more. All right, there we go. Week 3 is finished. And we've got more cool pockets. All right, guys. I hope that you found this inspiring. Please go check out Dee Dee's videos, her challenge videos, and well, all of her videos. If you aren't already subscribed to her channel, do that as well. And I will be back soon. Probably the next time you see me will be, oh, I don't know, week 4. All right, guys, I hope you liked this. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. If I haven't already reached 3,000 by the time this video uploads, I'm sure that it will be soon. So be on the lookout for giveaway videos if I haven't uploaded them already. All right, guys, have a fabulous day, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.